day everyone and welcome po sa ating video. Maraming salamat po sa panonood sa aking YouTube channel tungkol sa tutorial ng worship software na free show. So for our topic for today mga kaibigan, pag-usapan po natin tungkol sa game show naman po tayo in multiple choice category. Multiple choice A, B, C, D. Yan no? So makikita po natin itong sample. Halimbawa, ilabas po natin itong isa. So, go to functions muna kasi baka tatakbo yung oras, no? So, ilabas natin dito sa live output. Okay? Okay. Tigilin natin yung yung countdown. So, itong lumabas sa screen, ito. Ginawa ko itong question, no? Okay, so question number 1. Ito yung makikita yung sa live output, itong sa taas, ginawa ko ng box, no, para mas malinaw. So, the question, yung during simulan yung Bible quiz, lalo-lalo na kapag may summer camp participations, yan, maganda yan sa mga kabataan, no? At lalo-lalo na sa mga kabataan na may mga edad 5 and up. Okay. So the question is this. If in the book of Joshua, ayan, itong live output yan, pwedeng ilabas sa projector o sa church screen. In the book of Joshua, who was the son of Jephunneh, and he was the one of the 12 spies sent by Moses to explore the land of Canaan. Okay, so ito yung pagpipilian natin ha. Ay dito sa baba, makikita mo blanco o puwang, dyan ako ilalabas yung correct answer. So the choices in the book of Joshua, who was the son of Jephunneh? Letter A, Caleb o Caleb. B, none. C, Rahab. Or D, I. Hindi AI ha? Ha? Okay? So you have a 10 seconds. We have a 10 seconds. So makikita mo yung 10 seconds na i-close natin. Tatakbuhin natin siya. So all you have to do, go to functions, hanapin mo lang yung section kung saan lumabas yan, and timer starts now. So, timer starts now. So, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time is up. Ang tamang sagot, so, kapag nasagot niyo na dyan sa, lalo kapag may gumawa kayo ng ng sumulat ka ng answer sa whiteboard, no? Kasi nakaranas kayo nung camp. Okay, so the correct answer, ilabas natin siya sa baba, oh. Okay, paano? I-X natin yung go to overlays. The correct answer is letter A, Caleb. So ito, hanapin natin itong yung tamang sagot. Ito, makikita mo yun sa overlays, ginawa ko itong identification answer. So, the correct answer, i-click natin yung play yung nasa gitna. May lumilitaw siya. And the correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is Caleb. Ayan. So, next question, i-close po natin. So, paano natin siya tanggalin itong yung correct answer? All you have to do, makikita mo yung X. So, itanggalin na natin by click this one. Ayan. So, the question number 2. Okay. Okay, during the time of Sodom, sandali, go to functions, 10 seconds. Question number 2. Shout out po kay Pastor Francis Dar ng JCLG Doha. Magandang araw po at I hope na napanood mo itong aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. So the second question. During the time of Sodom and Gomorrah, ayan. Favorite ko itong story, no? Yung nangyari doon sa fall of Sodom and Gomorrah. Nung linalaglag yung apoy mula sa langit, during the time of Sodom and Gomorrah, who was the woman turned into a pillar of salt after she looked back to the downfall? Ayan. Itong pagpipilian natin. A, Eve. B, Lot's wife. C, Sarai. D, Rahab. You have a 10 seconds. So, takbuhin natin yung 10 seconds. So, nakalabas na yun sa live output ng yung TV screen o projector ng church. So, we have a 10 seconds. Takbuhin natin. So, ready? Close natin. You 10 seconds. Pag sabi ng go, It's 10. Go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So, ang tamang sagot, i-close natin. Ang gagawin po natin, close. Mag-edit po tayo ng tamang sagot, no? The correct answer, so punta po tayo sa overlays. Yan. Kasi yung answer, ito yung correct answer, no? Right click and edit. Okay. The correct answer sa second question, during the time of Sodom and Gomorrah's fall, the correct answer is Lot's wife. Okay. Yan natin siya edit. Okay. So go to show. Okay. Ang tamang sagot, the correct answer is Lot's wife. Ayan. Okay, so saan yan account? Makikita yan sa Lot's wife, yung tamang sagot ay nasa Genesis chapter 19 verse 26. Sabi niya sa today's English version o Good News Bible, but Lot's wife looked back and was turned into a pillar of salt. So the correct answer is yung asawa ni Lot. Ayan. So, close po natin. Yan. Exciting talaga yung araw na ito kasi switch na kayo ng ano mag-switch na kayo ng free show worship software kaysa sa PowerPoint dahil maganda ito kasi hindi siya nakakagasto sa memory, no? Hindi siya mahago. O yung kung hindi siya basta-basta mapupuno yung memory sa yung SSD or sa hard drive ng iyong computer. So go to show. Okay. Next question. Gagawa ako ng isang question. Ayan. Isa pang question. So, click edit. Ay, saan ba? Mali, mali, mali. Ito yung right click edit. Yan. Gagawa po tayo ng isang slide. Click slide. Ayan, already na talaga yung already talaga yung mga box kasi ang ganda talaga parang game show sa TV. Right. So, yung nasa pulang box, gagawa ako ng question. And dito naman sa apat na yellow box, diyan yung mga pagpipilian. Now, magta-type ako ng isang question kasama niyong pati multiple choice, okay? So, mabilisan lang 'to. Oh, alright. So, ito pong third question sa pangatlong slide. Okay. How many years, no? Kaka-edit ko lang, ito yung yung mga edit section. So yung tanong, how many years did the Israelites reach the promised land? Okay. So go to show. Okay, so ilabas natin yung isang slide. Go to function, baka tatakbo yung oras. Yan. So how many years? How many years? Okay, tanggalin natin yung lot swipe. Nakalimutan ko. Go to overlays. I-close. Yan. Yung tamang sagot ilalabas natin mamaya. How many years did the Israelites reach the promised land? Ayan. Is it A, 10 years, B, 20 years, C, 30 years, or D, 40 years? Oh, ang haba talaga ng taon, no? Makikita tayo after 30 years, ha? Okay. So, alamin natin yung tamang sagot. So, we have the 10 seconds. Close naman natin. Itatakbo natin oras. Go to functions. We have a 10 seconds. Ayan na, so may 10 seconds na. Uh, Ball pens up, pentel pens up. Ready. You have a 10 seconds. Go. Play. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time is up. So ang tamang sagot, alamin natin kung anong tamang sagot, no? So close po natin. Go to overlays. Alamin natin kung anong tamang sagot. Ang tamang sagot dyan, how many years did the Israelites reach the promised land? So, ang tamang sagot ay 40 years. Edit. The correct answer is 40 years. Alright. Ilabas po natin. Play. The correct answer is letter D. 40 years. Ayan. So, that's it. So, I hope na na-enjoy mo itong yung Bible quiz. yung game show na tinatawag 'no, dito sa Free Show Worship Software. I hope na enjoy mo ito and meron pa akong isang question. Paano 'tong ginawa itong ano 'no, yung nasabing, itong elements. So, pag-usapan po natin sa susunod na vlog at maraming salamat po for watching and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe on my YouTube channel kasi upload ako ng mga panibagong tutorials 'no. So, 40 years yung tamang sagot 'no. And I hope ma-enjoy mo ito. Maraming salamat po and see you again for the next video. Goodbye everyone and God bless you all. Okay? Goodbye.